Class 12 volume distribution of charge in electrostatic field. This is a XYZ 3 axis. It is a OI center point, and let a volume tau is kept here and charge q kept here. Its position vector is volume charge distribution tau. Its position vector is r dash, and charge q, its position vector is r. Now distance between volume charge distribution and q is r minus r dash vectorially. Let its volume charge density is rho. Take a small volume d tau is taken, and due to d tau, a small volume of d tau, charge on it dq rho into d tau. Total charge in the volume d tau, dq equal to rho d tau. Due to volume charge distribution, charge force exerted on q, q's position vector is r. So a static electricity force applied on q due to volume charge distribution will be dF 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 rho d tau q r minus r dash q vectorially into r minus r dash into r minus r dash, all are vectorially. So total volume tau. So all distribution of charge, force exerted, static in the electrostatic field, force integration done. F, it is integration, it is constant part q by 4 pi epsilon 0, and due to volume c integration sign and tau total volume. So rho d tau r minus r dash whole cube vectorially into r minus r dash. This is the volume distribution of charge in electrostatic field.